Okay, children, welcome to our math class. Remember that I love mathematics because I love numbers and I love basic operations. What are we going to have today in our class? First, we are going to practice subtractions, then we are going to watch a video, then we are going to play with dominoes, and after that we are going to have an activity in Seesaw, okay? So let's see the practice of our subtractions. Here we have, here we have, for example, these dominoes. In these dominoes, here in the first square, I have 3 minus 2 equals, who can give me the answer? Emma, good answer, very good. Now, Maria Carolina, if I have 2 minus 2 here equals, and here I have 6 minus 1, maybe girls or boys, who can give me the correct answer? Now, 4 that I have here minus 3 that I have in this domino, how is the result or the difference? What happens if I have 4 here and 4 and I take away 4 more? 4 minus 4 equals, if there are 6 dots and I take away 3, how many dots are left? Remember the vocabulary that we use when we are doing subtractions. Minus, take away, and how many are left? Now, what are you going to do? You are going to sing a song if you can make a subtraction with a pirate. Here you have the space for watching the video. After that, I'm going to see you again, okay? See you. Excellent, boys and girls. Now that you have already seen the video, what are you going to do? You go to Seesaw app and you look for this activity. And this activity also is with dominoes. What are you going to do? First, you click on Add Response. Then you click on the pencil to write the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? So, as the example or as the practices we did at the beginning of the class. If I have here 4 apples, for example, but I ate 2 of them, how many apples are left? That means that 4 minus 2 equals 2. Remember that you have to take the symbol and put it into the correct place, and also equals symbol in the correct place. Okay, people, try it again. Okay, now, after that, you can make a video telling subtraction sentences using, for example, at home, you can use cookies, candies, fruits, or toys, and you record these subtractions activities and you upload into Seesaw, because I would like to see you in a video practicing subtraction sentences. Remember that you can write the numbers in a little pieces of paper, and then you build the number sentence using numbers, symbols, and the result, okay? The difference. Good. So, people, go ahead. I believe you are the best, because Hardin 1 is always the star group in the English school, okay? Love you. Kisses. Bye.